what which cannot, which does not allow, it's very hard and compact, such that it does not allow either gas or what you call liquid or anything to pass through it. It is not permeable. That means it's very compact, that it does not allow anything to pass through it. So these impervious rocks, you see, imagine that there are two, the petroleum is now in a kind of, it is sandwiched between two layers of impervious rocks. So two impervious rocks. Can you see this and this? These are the impervious rocks between which our oil is trapped. Can you see? This is the oil layer. So this is the oil layer. So slowly you can see that here you have to learn one more thing. You have to learn about the reservoir rock here, children. It's not given in your textbook, but please do understand that reservoir rock is unlike the impervious rock. Reservoir rock will have so many pores in it, such that it allows the movement of water or gas through it. Can you see? Actually, this is impervious rock, and it's all water. Actually, it's all water. Now, can you see this? Slowly, now organisms die, and you can see oil is first formed here. The oil is first formed here because of this process, and then slowly, because oil is lighter than water, its density is lesser than water, what happens to oil? It tends to float up. So when it is floating up, you have a reservoir rock over here. Now this reservoir rock is not like impervious rock. It is very porous, or nothing but it allows. It has got like, just compare, you can compare this with a sponge, children. So sponge, how is it? It has got so many pores, and because of which it just retains some amount of water in it. When you squeeze it, you get all the water drained out. So in the similar manner, the reservoir rock also has so many pores in it, which allows slow motion of oil, water and gas through it, and that's the reason why you can see the oil, gas and water has floated, they have floated above the reservoir rock. Now can you see here, children? Water, there is one layer of water again here, and there is one oil layer over here. Oil, because it floats on water, and on top of that there is some gas also trapped. And this gas, what is the name of this gas now? It's nothing but natural gas. The natural gas which was formed because of this process of formation of petroleum, that is also trapped just beneath the impervious rock. Now, in order to extract, or in order to get our petroleum, the crude oil, what you need to do? You have to drill big holes. Have you seen an oil holes? Actually, oil bay, they say. So, what they do is, they just dig one big oil wells, straight into this impervious rock. Now impervious rock, it's very hard, so that's the reason why they have to dig holes, using a lot of the heavy machinery and all. They dig hole, and now this is the end point. You can see over here, bore is just let into this, and you can see the moment it just crosses, or crosses this impervious rock, the gas comes out with lot of pressure. First of all, the gas comes out with lot of pressure, and then because of the pressure, the oil then continues. If you want oil, then another hole is dug, and that is, it should touch this oil reserve. So then you can see that oil also first, whatever it is, first of all the gas comes out with a lot of pressure, and then oil oozes out. So this is how oil and natural gas is extracted after drilling through the impervious rock. So now it's given in your textbook. Please go through your textbook, children. So where was the first oil well drilled? Okay, you have to find out the answer. Where was the world's first oil well drilled and the second oil well drilled? Okay, and you have to find the places of where you can find oil reserves in India. So I want you to just take out one map and just follow your textbook, find information from your textbook or any other source, and just mark on an Indian map. Okay, one political outline map will be there, no? So you take out that and mark all the oil reserves, the petroleum, crude oil reserves or sites where you can mine petroleum, okay, where you can extract this petroleum from. So here I stop, And maybe in my next video, I will be talking about the refining of petrol. What we get is nothing but crude oil, as I said. So after we get the crude oil, what we need to do? We have to refine it. So in my next video, I'll be explaining about the refining of petroleum, children. Till then, please go through all these things again. Thank you.